Grandpa Daddy James.
Big Daddy Grandpa.
And we're singing it to Peter.
Only single one.
He's the only one left without a wedding. We're singing it for you. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. We'll use Jen.
And Jen.
Okay.
I went down to the Billy Goat farm. The Billy Goat chased me around the farm. Chased me up a hickory tree. This is what he said to me. Doctor, doctor, can you tell what will make poor Peter well? Peter's sick and about to die. That will make poor Peter cry. Peter, Jenny, don't you cry. She'll be better by and by. She'll be dressed in